Hey fam, what's good? What's good? I hope that you're well and keeping safe. Welcome back to another one. Welcome back to another one. Right. So we are on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. Since I found myself coming a little bit too late to the charts, right? I will find myself explaining everything afterwards, right? Why this, why that, whatsoever. Simply because, yeah, if I'm gonna explain everything right now, it's already one. Right. Well, it's already the New York open session right now. So I have to wait for my actual opportunity to find itself opening up. Right, we do have some equal highs right over there. So I would like to see price actually take out those relatively equal highs. Right. But over the course of today, I would love to see some actual shorts coming through. But yeah, if that's not gonna come through, then I will still find myself as being reactive with some longs as well. But ultimately, I would love to see some shorts opening up on this beautiful pair called the Nasdaq, right? And so if I can just basically find myself zooming price in a little bit, higher high, if we can create that actual low, I'll expect price to have some sort of an actual pullback. And I will then find myself going short, right? So if we have a closure below, I'll find myself going short on this beautiful, beautiful pair called the Nasdaq. Okay. No closure, no closure. So we wait. No closure. So we wait. No closure. So we wait. Right. We need to see that closure below. We need to see that. If we don't see that, no entry for us. Okay. So let's be patient. Let's be patient and let's wait. Other than that, since we are waiting, fam, let me know how has y'all days been going? How was your day? Have you had an amazing day? Have you had an day? How was your days been going for, today? Let me wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Can we have that closure below? Can we have that closure below? Right? Because then my entry will basically look something like this. Give me like some breathing space at least. 20 pips. Let's see if we can gain that. Something like that. Right? So then I will basically look at something like this. If we can have that actual closure below. As if now it looks like NASDAQ is quite stubborn with us, right? But it's cool though. Let's wait. Let's wait. I like the fact that we did create some equal highs. Price then took out those relatively equal highs over there as well. All right, so let's wait. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. All right, clean stuff. So we can basically see that those relatively equal highs has been violated, right? It has been violated. So now all I'm waiting for is some sort of initial pullback, right? But at this current moment, looks like a price is just finding itself running away with us, right? But it's cool though. It's cool. It's cool. We're still gonna have to wait for that though. Still gonna have to wait for that. So let's see if we can have that actual pullback, right? Obviously, if we're not gonna find ourselves getting the pullback, then I will have to wait for price to at least come back down in this region, and then only find myself looking for some potential long opportunities, right? But as if now, you know what, I want to see some beautiful, beautiful shorts finding itself opening up. So all I'm waiting for now is like literally just that tap, and then I'm gonna find myself going short. We go on a 2 minute time frame. Clean stuff. I'm short, fam. I'm short. Let's go. Let's go. I'm short. Let's go. Right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Hey. Let's wait. Hey. Let's wait. Hey. Let's wait. Hey. Let's wait. 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 Let's wait. Hey. Let's wait. Hey. We in profit. Hey. Hey. Okay, cool. Yes. So we now going back up again. All right, all right, all right. But we're still in profit though. We're still in profit though. Let's wait. Hey, let's wait. Hey, let's wait, 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 wait. Let's wait. That's why it is super important to find yourself always like waiting for that opportunity. Waiting for your opportunity at least to always just find yourself coming to you instead of you know what, you trying to seek the opportunity, right? Or like you chasing the actual opportunity whatsoever. Nah, fam, you know, be cool about it. Let the trade come to you. Let the trade come to you. And I think that that is why most of you most probably feel like trading is not for you. You know, you can't find yourself doing this whatsoever. It's because you don't have belief. It's that you don't believe. You are you're not patient enough. You're in a rush. You want things to happen now. That's not how it works, fam. That's not how it works. You need to be disciplined. You need to humble yourself before the market humbles you. And most of the time the market humble each and every single one of you because you aren't patient. That's the thing. That's the thing. And then what do you want to find yourself doing? You then want to go blame other people because you aren't finding yourself making it work, right? It is not the next man's job to make something work for you. You need to make it work yourself, okay? And stop looking out for people to save you as well at the end of the day, right? You can only save yourself. Keep that in mind, right? You can only save yourself. Let's go. We almost at take profit. We almost at take profit. Let's wait. We almost there. We literally had no almost like we almost have no drawdown on this beautiful trade, right? So I'm grateful for that. I'm super grateful for that. Right over there. What I'm gonna do is put my trade at break even. Right. I'm gonna put my trade at break even now. So now let's ride out this trade, right? See if we can get that take profit hit. If we're going to find ourselves moving price all the way up, right? It's perfectly fine. We get out at nothing. Tomorrow is another day. We can just come back and, you know what, do what we have to do. But does it look like we are going to find ourselves having to come back tomorrow? Or, well, not come back tomorrow, but walk away with nothing today? Nah, it does not look like that. So, you know what, let's just simply be patient. You know, I like the fact that we did find ourselves closing below this low over there as well, right? So in overall, you know what, we just changed market to bearish, right? So a pullback is perfectly fine. Maybe a pullback back into this candle right over there, right? That will be cool. And then find ourselves having a shift back down. That will be great as well, right? But me, I am quite confident that we will find ourselves having our actual take profit hit. So yeah, you know, it's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game. Let's wait. Let's wait. Hey, did you guys find yourself taking some shorts today? Did you find yourself taking some longs today? What is up? What is up, fam? What is up? What is up? Are you finding yourself having a nice week? Because over the course of yesterday, you know what, it was a public holiday. I didn't find myself trading whatsoever because, you know what, yeah, you know, I just thought that there was going to be no actual volume inside the market. But you know what? Price found itself opening up a beautiful opportunity when I came to the charts and, you know, just looked at price action. So yeah, you know, price did open up something nice, but I didn't find myself trading over the course of, you know, yesterday. So yeah, you know, how did you guys, or how's your weeks? Did you have a nice week? Did you have a bad week this far? How did you find yourself starting off your week? You know what? It's super important as well to always have like a positive outlook, right? A positive mindset when you come to the charts each and every single day. You know what? Because, hey, I think that is, it explains itself, right? Because I mean, if you come with a negative mindset, but you're expecting something positive, it just don't make sense, right? It just don't make sense. Well, at least for me, it just don't make sense, right? So yeah. Hey, yo, this is a hard candle that being pushed to the upside. Yo, this thing is hard, hard. All right. We created some equal lows over there as well. So, hey, we are tapping within this up close candle right over there as well. So, you know what? I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Yeah, I'm cool with that. So let's wait. Let's wait. Oh, well, price just find itself being like, nah, D, not today. Not today. Well, let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Hey, we're almost there. We're almost there. And I'm almost stopped out. Almost stopped out of my trade. But I'm not. I'm not just of yet. Looks like I am gonna get stopped out though. Looks like I am gonna get stopped out. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait first. All right, nice. No. Go down, bruv. Go down, bruv. Yeah, go down, bruv. Take out those evil load, bruv. Take it out, bruv. Take it out. Take it out. Yes. You know, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. This hope like we have a nice little big candle, you know, nice little down close candle. That will be much appreciated. Let me go on my 5 minute time frame. Let me see how we closed up here. Nah, this is concerning though. This right here, concerning. It's cool. Hey, yo, we got a gap. We got a gap. We got a gap. Nice. We got a gap. Nice. Nice. We got a gap. Nice. So that's clean. That's clean. That's clean. Let's go, NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, the gap has been filled. I like that. So give us like a big candle. Give us a big candle. If we can get a big candle, then nice. Right? Then nice. This is the 1 minute time frame. Right, so right there. That's the gap. Right, so the next candle, can we have a closure below? Back for the retest. It's not like this. Close below, retest, come back down. That would be nice. That would be nice. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see what price has in store for us. Let's go. It's about what you're doing. Let's go. Dun, dun. You know that song of who's that? I think it's Neil. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Oh, oh. Oh, let's go. Yay, net my YouTube is gonna give me a copyright for singing, so I most probably should keep quiet, you know, and just let Price do what it needs to do, and just sing the song in my head, you know, because that thing is banging like, yo, it's banging inside my head right now. Oh, we had a close below, so that's cool. That's cool. Okay, fam, listen, so since we are waiting, let me just show you guys like the actual breakdown why I decided on doing what I am doing, right? So obviously I can still just monitor price on my phone. So clean stuff, right? Looking at our H1 time frame, what can we basically see? Breakout structure, right? This simply just means that price did find itself just creating some higher highs, right? Prices followed with its bullish market structure, right? And then what we can basically see is price found itself having this beautiful shift towards the upside, and then had this strong bearish momentum back towards the downside, right? Now, yes, I found myself having this at my actual, you know, at my eye out on this area over here as my actual fair value gap. What is making this valid? This actual, you know, what equal highs we have found ourselves creating on my lower time frame, right? But this area which I find myself boxing out over here, which is serving as our actual, you know what? Oh, take profit smack to the T, to the T, to the T. So much. I will find myself just like I should have actually taken the screenshot, but okay, cool, whatever. Right, but anyway, we did capture the trade, so I'm perfectly fine with that. It is on YouTube. Make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button. I highly love each and every single one of you. Right, South Africa is home. Let me do this. South Africa is home. South Africa, I love you. Okay, you are my most viewers, and that's how it's supposed to be. Much love from me, right? You guys are the best. I love each and every single one of you. Second of all, the US, right? I love the US clients as well. You guys are my second most viewers on this channel. And then thirdly, you know what? The UK side out, that man's right over there, right? I love each and every single one of you as well. You know what? Let's just build this community, right? Let's build this community. Beautiful shift to the downside right over there. But let's get back to it, right? For I'm just getting crazy over here. Okay, so like I made mention, this inversion fair value gap we have find ourselves creating over here was just an area which I also kept in the back of my mind just to have like an extra, if we're going to find ourselves having a push towards the upside, where can the deepest area be, right? And the deepest area can literally be back into this inversion fair value gap which we have found ourselves creating right over here, right? So that is basically how I'm finding why I found myself boxing out this inversion fair value gap right over there, right? And with price basically doing what it is currently doing, we can see that price will always find itself seeking liquidity, right? And with us basically saying that price will always seek liquidity, can you guys see that we did find ourselves creating a swing low right over there? And with us basically creating that swing low, price already found itself taking out this liquidity over there. So with price taking out that liquidity, that should already be like a light bulb moment, right? Price is going to seek the next area of liquidity, right? So if price is not finding itself showing you some buyers wanting to find themselves stepping within the market, right, then this simply means that the market will find itself seeking the next area of liquidity, right? And where will the next area of liquidity be? Right over there, right? And that is the main reasoning to why I find myself, targeting these actual lows right over there, right? And wow, this shift is it's pretty amazing, right? So once again, where will the next area of liquidity be? That one right over there, we just took it, so it will be that one, right? And then next will be these relatively equal lows we find ourselves creating over the course of yesterday, right? So clean stuff. We have identified everything that is finding itself, happening right over there. Let's scale down to our 15-minute time frame. Now, on the 15-minute time frame, what can we see happen? We can see that we do have a back and forth happening right over here. And what did we always say when it comes down to equal lows, equal highs, fam? Listen, are you screaming this out with me? Liquidity is at those regions, right? Liquidity is at that region right over there. If I can go on a 5-minute time frame and just look at it a little bit more deeper, right? Here you can see it much more clear as well. Price then find itself taking out those relatively equal highs simply because we do have liquidity resting above that region right over there. And with us taking out relatively equal highs or equal lows, we are expecting price to have a reaction in a different, in the opposite direction, right? So with price having a reaction in the opposite direction, all we're then going to find ourselves doing is go on our lower time frame, wait for our actual entry to find itself opening up, wait for our model to come through, right? And we can basically see that, looking at what we find ourselves having over here, we do have a high, we do have a higher high, we did find ourselves creating that lower low. So this area over there is serving as my breaker so that I can find myself going short on this beautiful pair. And that is exactly what we have found ourselves doing, risking a beautiful 15 pips to gain a 30 pips on this beautiful pair, right? And that right there was the beautiful opportunity which found itself opening up over the course of today. And you know what? If you find yourself taking away something from this actual breakdown over here, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, fam. I love each and every single one of you. Golden nuggets on golden nuggets. Much love from me. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm out.